Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. In this world, every woman wants to get her love. She needs also love. So today, dua for misunderstanding between husband and wife has been brought to you, which will remove misunderstandings between husband and wife. If you will do this prayer carefully and complete it, then I am saying this with confidence that you will be with your partner. He will listen to you. To remove the misunderstanding that has happened between husband and wife, I am going to present Islamic dua for misunderstanding between husband and wife, which will strengthen your relationship. How to get rid of the fights between husband and wife. Fighting is never good in any relationship, as it will ruin all your present and future, and it will leave you with so much sadness and guilty that you may married to that person. To stop these domestic fights between husband and wife, you need to keep faith in Allah, and then you will be able to resolve this fights issue within a short period of time. The male partner should be reading 2 rakat nafil namaz after the Durud Sharif, and then he has to make the love dua to Allah for a continuation of 45 days to resolve the fights between husband and wife. Dua for misunderstanding between husband and wife. Dua for misunderstanding between husband and wife. There is tension between husband and wife, due to which the fight starts between them, and then there also starts misunderstanding between them, because it is a common thing to have misunderstandings. This happens when the distance is formed between the husband and wife. Then misunderstanding starts between husband and wife, because it is normal to have misunderstandings when they do not talk to each other. Due to this, hatred for each other also starts to arise. If this is also happening in your life, then please do not panic. The misunderstanding between you two will clear up in a pinch. All you have to do is to recite Islamic dua for husband and wife carefully and thoughtfully. We are not even going to know that where all the husband wife misunderstanding went. If everything goes right in your first 3 days, then you must thank Allah and to thank me also, because you are lucky that Allah has introduced you to me. If you tell me that you have to do your work, then you will not get so much happiness as much as I will get, because I have understood the same thing from my Lord, that if a person is going through a bad time, then you should help him. Then there will be no longer greater than you. So when your issue get resolved, please tell me. Steps to perform misunderstandings between husband and wife. Clean your place. Pray after Isha namaz. On the day of Jummah, you have to offer namaz 5 times. It have to do one day only. Take your partner's photo, then read Durud Sharif for 3 times. It has to be read for consecutively 3 days. Inshallah, I am saying this with confidence that in 3 days the distance between you two will end.